Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable autoplay for videos on Facebook using both mobile data and Wi-Fi. Autoplay can enhance your viewing experience by automatically playing videos as you scroll through your feed. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Ensure that you're logged into your account to access all the features you need. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, located in the top right corner of the app. Tapping this will open up a menu filled with various options. Now scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options, and then select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your Facebook experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, continue scrolling down until you reach the Preferences section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Media. Tap on it to access the media-related settings for your account. In the Media settings, look for the Autoplay section. Here's where you can choose how you want videos to behave. Select On Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. This setting ensures that videos will automatically play whether you're connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. After making this selection, you're all set. Now, whenever you scroll through your feed, videos will play automatically based on your selected settings. This feature is perfect for keeping up with all the engaging content that friends and pages share. Remember, if at any point you want to change this setting again, just follow these steps back to the Media section and adjust your preferences accordingly. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience on Facebook as videos autoplay while you browse. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.